we're in the middle of a Backbase project at the moment. So we have, kind of an online banking solution for business. We have three actually. We've two kind of the smaller end ones, which are very successful with our customers. And then we've got a higher end one which supports the kind of standard capability you'd expect to see: bulk file payments, multi-currency, multiple authorization, all those kind of capabilities. But it's a solution that's over 15 years old, so we're at that stage now where it needs kind of a major overhaul. We need much more flexibility to be able to integrate those new solutions into our offering. So we're working with Backbase to deliver a new capability in our online business space, so that our business customers can have, kind of a more dynamic and responsive capability, number one, in online and mobile, and then number two, that we can integrate, some of those capabilities in a much quicker, more dynamic way, because given our legacy application, we've struggled to do that at the pace that we really want to do, and we need to do for our customers. Our purpose is very simple. It's to support and to back our customers. That's it. Back our customers in their financial lives to achieve their hopes and ambitions. That's it. It's a really, really simple premise. So everything we do with a customer lens. So it's to make their job easier, make it easier to manage their business, make it easier to get credit when they need credit. Because people don't want to bank. Customers don't come to me and say, "Oh, I'd love to bank." That's not what they want to do. They want to, they want to live their daily lives, and they understand that finance is critical to that. They want a home. They want to take their family on holidays. They want to pay for their bills. They want to, figure out, "Oh, I'm short of cash. How do I get the kids back to school?" They have a financial impact, and that's really where we need to be, is to be helpful and insightful when we need. So I see us moving from banks traditionally have been very much in the serve. Here's the products and services we have. Which one do you want? And if you stick your head in, we'll sell you one of those. We're very much around what do you need, and trying to be helpful and being more insightful. So where we see our investment going is really to try and help and guide our customers, like cash flow analysis for our business customers, insight for our personal customers. We've been very successful in some ways. Like on our personal channel, virtually 80% of all our credit applications are done online. So our customers are very happy to use our digital channels in the personal space. Hugely successful. Very good, strong adoption rates, as I mentioned. From a transactional capability, a service capability, and from a sales capability. Now our customers are really, really happy in that domain, and we know that. We just need to provide them with more information, and more information in a customer's context. What we found with Backbase too, they're very focused on the customer and the end-to-end solution. So it's not just the product does X or the product does Y, it's actually, is it solving a pain point? And we've been working with Backbase in a collaborative way. So as part of building our solution, we realized they had a gap in their product. We kind of described to them as, actually, your product should really have this. It's a base capability that we would expect. We took them over, they met some of our customers, we brought them out to meet some of our business customers, and they found that hugely powerful because they actually understood exactly what this capability was for. So it wasn't a kind of a technical capability or a functional spec capability like you would have in the old days. They actually understood, well, actually the guy who runs finance in this organization, he needs people to make payments, but he can't let them look at some reader accounts, or he can't give them access to that. So they understood, all right, see what you mean. And we've worked collaboratively on them. They've delivered that as a part of their product capability that they're now selling to other customers. But for us, it's a base capability. We could have built it ourselves. We don't really want to build it ourselves. We're a bank, we're not a technology company. We obviously invest a huge amount in technology, but for us, it's about working with key partners.